Welcome to Sellora, the platform where smart sellers grow smarter every day. In this video, we'll explore the Smart Sponsored Advertisement campaign, an effortless way to promote your products using Sellora's powerful automation tools. Don't have time to manage every keyword or bid manually? No problem. Smart campaigns are designed to help sellers like you get great results without the complexity. Just select your product, and Sellora's system will automatically handle keyword targeting, budget distribution, and bid optimization, all based on buyer behavior and platform trends. It's the easiest way to start advertising with confidence, especially if you're new to e-commerce or managing multiple listings. Let's get started and create your first smart campaign. Open your web browser and navigate to Sellora.com. Log in using your registered email address or mobile number. Upon successful login, you will be automatically redirected to your seller dashboard. On the seller dashboard, locate the top navigation bar. Click the Advertising button. Now click Start Advertising. Here, you will see two advertisements options. Sponsored advertisements. Display advertisements. Click on Sponsored Advertisements to begin. Sponsored advertisements are divided into two modes: Manual Campaign, Smart Campaign. Click on Smart Campaign. Enter a campaign name. It's recommended to use your product name for clarity. Use the search bar to find and select the products you wish to promote. Products selected in the previous step will now be organized into ad groups. Fill in the following required and optional fields for each group. Expected ROI, return on investment. Budget limit, optional. Advanced targeting, optional. Click on Select Budget manually. Choose the start date and end date for your campaign. Review all details to ensure accuracy. Once all fields are completed and reviewed, click Submit Campaign. Your smart sponsored campaign has been successfully created. Thanks for watching this Sellora Smart Sponsored Advertisements tutorial. To stay updated with more such videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.